This is Egg Bistik or Bistik Telur, which is this delicious omelette doused in a sweet, tangy, slightly spicy sauce. Think of this as the Malaysian Egg Foo Young, but in my opinion, is so much better. Also, so easy to make, so let's do this. First, we gotta make the omelette. I have my eggs here, and to that, I'm just seasoning it with a pinch of salt, some diced onions or shallots, and the secret ingredient, some ground beef. This is going to add so much flavor to the omelette. Give all of that a quick scramble, and then let's make our omelette. To our pan, add some oil, and once it's hot, pour in the egg and, well, basically make an omelette. I don't think I need to tell you how to make an omelette, right? So you just leave this alone, no touchy, and once the bottom is cooked and has some nice golden brown patches, carefully flip it over and then let the other side cook as well. Also, no worries, in case you're wondering, your ground meat will definitely cook through by the time your omelette is done. And once the other side cooks through, take the omelette off the pan and keep it to one side. Next, we'll be making that delicious sauce. To the same pan, because efficiency, you want to make sure you want to remove any bits of leftover egg and add more oil if you need. Once hot, add the diced onions or shallots as well as some minced garlic. Give all of that a saute, and once fragrant, add in chicken. You want to dice it so that it cooks faster. Now, once the chicken is not pink anymore, so something like this, add the ground beef. If you're wondering what the heck bistik is, it's simply the mispronunciation of a beef steak, and then it just became the linguistic norm for Malays, and correct me if I'm wrong, my Indonesians out there too. Give all of that a quick stir fry, and then I'm adding in the vegetables next. You can basically use any vegetables that you like. I have some carrots here, green beans, and some cauliflower, all diced. We are also adding our sauces next. I have some oyster sauce. I already added some, by the way, but my camera died and I didn't realize. But anyway, some sweet chili sauce, or you can also use sriracha, but make sure you add some sugar. And tomato ketchup. Yes, the tomato ketchup that you use to dip your fries in. You want to give all of that a nice stir fry to incorporate, and then I'm also adding a little bit of water here just to get a nice sauce going. You can adjust the water depending on your gravy preference, but I do not recommend adding too much because that would dilute the tastes of the sauces too much. We're almost done here. I'm going to be adding some salt here just to bump up the taste just a little bit more, and sugar if you need. I do not need sugar because I use sweet chili sauce, and our sauce is actually done. It should be all nice and thick just like this with all of the sauces that we used. You really shouldn't need cornstarch slurry at all, and you should be able to get this really nice thick gravy. Let's put together our egg bistik. So first you want to plate your hopefully not broken omelette, and then pour the gorgeous sauce all over just like this. Give it a nice final garnishing of spring onions, and we are done. Serve this with rice and you've got yourself a really delicious all-arounder meal. This has eggs, meat, and vegetables in it, and it's just so delicious. So I hope you give this a go, and bye! If you love this chop quick and easy recipe, then you might love any of this too.